This one is a Honda Odyssey. This is all pushed in right here. So I have another van repair here. This one is a Honda Odyssey with quarter panel damage. This is all pushed in right here from the door. I'm gonna have to end up welding a tab on here to pull that out. And then it has some minor damage on the rear door and very minor damage on the front door. I'm gonna go ahead, start working this back into shape, get that brought out, and get this quarter panel straightened out, then get the rear door straightened out as well. So I got this one looking very nice. The door lines up nice with the quarter panel and the bumper fits just right. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull my bumper cover back off, do the fill work on the quarter panel and the door. So I went ahead and lifted that slider door off so I could get in here and finish out this jam inside of here. Then I will sand the door, finish it out on the stand with it laying flat. I'm just adding a little bit of glaze coat right to this spot right here. There's kind of a weird spot going on right there.